Alrighty fellas, today we're going to check out how to make this optical illusion text effect here in Illustrator. Alright, so for the text I'm going to go with AMESAB. This is a free Adobe font you can download. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Now of course I'm going to make this halfway destructive in order to modify the letter A because this doesn't look that good. I'm going to make a new copy. Type in the letter A, right click, create outline. With a pen tool minus, I'm just going to eliminate these parts to have a reference there. So I'm going to work with that separately, but this one right now I'm just going to make it as it is. And then I'm going to just delete the letter A from here. So anyways, I'm just going to select the text. Let's go to the appearance here, click on the fill, and then I'm going to go and add another fill. And this is going to be a light gray. And then we're going to modify this fill. Let's go to the effects, let's go to path and select offset path. So here what we're going to need to do is decrease the offset to minus, for example, I'm going to go with -2. Make sure the joins is emitter, click OK. Now we're going to duplicate this fill gray, drag it to the plus, and we're going to switch this to black. And let's go to the offset path here, click on it and decrease to -4. There you go. And we're just going to need to repeat these steps. Let's go to the top black fill, drag it to the plus. Let's go to the fill color, change it to gray. I think it was this one, right? And then we're going to go to the offset here, decrease it from -4 to -6. Click OK. And just repeat it again and again. Change it to color. Go to offset path -8. And so on and so forth. I'm going to speed up the process and come back with the final results. Alright, so we're at the last steps, and as you can see, we got close here to the middle, and then here at the letter P, we got still a lot to go. So I'm going to do this again, and I'm going to click on the offset to decrease it to minus, and as you can see, it is going to totally switch up the profile of the letter N. So we got a little bit of problems going on here. So instead of this, I'm just going to delete the fill here. So what I'm going to do is separate the letters here, and I'm just going to bring this up and work with the letter M because we got a little bit of issues here. So what I'm going to do is just uncheck the first white fill. And I'm also going to uncheck the black fill at the top, so it's going to remain like this. And then here, I'm going to continue with the letter P and do some more copies here until it's going to fill up the whole letter P. So there you go, this is the letter P. So now we're going to work with the letter A because we did a custom triangle here. And for that, what we're going to need to do is apply the same effect, but we're going to need to select the letter P and we're going to need to go to the graphic style and just drag and drop the letter P or whatever letter into it with this effect. So it's going to show it like this. Let's select the triangle and apply the effect. And then we're going to uncheck the fill and the other fill. So we're going to need to uncheck this until it's going to show up the full graphic. And then we get the letter N, and then we're going to customize the letter T. And for that, I'm just going to go to the graphic style and select this guy. And from here, we can uncheck the fills, at least the top ones, the first top ones. Let's see what we're going to get. There you go. So we need to uncheck a couple of more. I'm also going to uncheck this one. And then we're going to go on. And pretty much this is how it looks like. From here, you can go and add some shading. For example, select the pen tool and select the darker gray color. And you can paint shading over this. You also can expand it and do it that way. So it is going to snap to path. I'm going to select this. Let's go to opacity and change the normal to multiply. So it's going to be transparent. So pretty much this is how you're going to add the dimensions to it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.